There is no doubt that to shoot breathtaking photos and videos, you need a high-quality DSLR camera. They can also go head-to-head with mirrorless cameras to deliver excellent shots. However, with so many options to choose from, you might get easily confused. So to help you out, we have made a list of best DSLR cameras in 2021 that will satisfy your creative needs. So without any further delay, let's get started. Get full-frame performance from a compact, feature-packed DSLR. Meet the Canon EOS 6D Mark II that adds numerous advancements over its predecessor and improves upon every aspect of capture and creation. The main update derives from its 26.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and the DSLR image processor that helps to deliver sharper and more vivid imagery in a variety of shooting situations. It offers a maximum frame rate of 60p when capturing FHD videos and has a 5-axis image stabilization to minimize camera shake for sharp, handheld shooting. This unit offers an improved ISO range which can be expanded to 102,400 and incredibly fast shooting rates up to 6.5 frames per second. To make sure your images are as sharp as possible, a 45-point cross-type AF system acquires and tracks subject with incredible accuracy. With a whole bunch of improvements over its previous iteration, the Canon EOS 6D Mark II is an excellent option for intermediate-level photographers. Designed for beginner-level photographers, but with enough capability to tackle advanced imaging tasks, the Canon EOS Rebel T8i is a well-rounded camera with impressive photo and video capabilities. Featuring a 24.1 megapixel APS-C format CMOS sensor and DSLR image processor, high-resolution stills, and 4K video recording are supported. Aside from that, its native ISO range of 100 to 25,600 suits working in various lighting conditions, while the dual-pixel CMOS AF uses face detection autofocus for quick and smooth focusing performance. Additionally, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC are built in for quick and convenient pairing with your smartphone or tablet for wireless image sharing. The 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen provides an intuitive method for navigating menus, controlling focusing points, and reviewing imagery. So if you are thinking of stepping into the world of creativity, then the Canon EOS Rebel T8i is an excellent option for you. Now let's greet the Pentax K-70, an all-weather digital SLR camera that expands the boundaries of photo shooting and allows for true-to-life image capturing. With a 24.24 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Prime M2 image processor, it is capable of continuous photo shooting at up to 6 FPS and full HD video recording. Furthermore, it has a broad ISO sensitivity range of up to 204,800, while its in-camera shake reduction works to minimize camera shake for sharper handheld shooting. It uses the Sapphire X autofocus system, which employs 11 phase detection points, including 9 cross-type sensors in the middle to quickly and accurately acquire focus on your subjects. Complementing its imaging capabilities, the K-70 is also equally refined in handling and design, as it is dust, freeze, and weather-resistant construction is ideal for working in any trying conditions. To conclude, the Pentax K-70 combines an advanced feature set in a compact form factor and is an incredible DSLR characterized by its superb multimedia capabilities. At the peak of Nikon's DSLR lineup is a camera that finds its way into the hands of photographers around the globe. Meet the Nikon D6, which addresses the requirements of professionals and is more potent than ever before. It revolves around a 20.8 megapixel FX format sensor combined with an X-Speed 6 image processor for an impressive 14 FPS continuous shooting rate and UHD video recording at 30 fps. At native values, the sensitivity ranges from ISO 100 to 102,400, which permits working in a broad array of lighting conditions. Plus, you can further expand the ISO up to a huge 3,280,000 in order to handle the most challenging situations. The high-density multicam 37K autofocus system features 105 cross-tie points that significantly improve focusing precision and speed. Aside from that, its magnesium alloy construction with extensive weather sealing resists dust and moisture, while the reinforced shutter mechanism is tested for 400,000 shutter cycles. All things considered, the Nikon D6 is adept in both photo and video realms and is a no-holds-barred camera with a focus on performance, speed, reliability, and precision. Now introducing the EOS 1DX Mark III, the latest high-end ultra-tough DSLR camera from Canon, designed for capturing wildlife, sports, and other dynamic images. Boasting a highly capable 20.1 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor and a DigicX image processor, it has continuous shooting rates up to 16 fps and an impressive ISO range that can be expanded to 819,200. With the ability to record Full HD videos at 120 fps and RAW 5.5K at 60 fps, this camera changes the game for photographers worldwide. Also benefiting from the speed is its EOS ITR AFX autofocus system, which uses 191 phase detection points for accurately focusing on subjects. On top of its excellent imaging capabilities, another key feature is its durable and robust construction that is weather sealed for working in especially trying environments. Characterized by its sophisticated processing capabilities and distinct speed to suit both photo and video applications, the Canon EOS 1DX Mark III is the most advanced camera on this list that you should definitely check out. So that was our list of the best DSLR cameras in 2021 just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with